And now for our cute little two balloon horse, we've taken a mocha brown 160, inflated all but about 7 or 8 inches of it. We won't use all of this. And I've got an ivory silk 260. I've inflated, leaving about a 6-inch tail. We'll start with our 260. We're going to make a little 1/2-inch bubble on the end here. Grab the knot, make that into an ear twist. Make another 1/2-inch bubble and make that into an ear twist as well. And then position those so that they're opposite each other like that. So you've got little kissy lips. Make about a 1.25 inch bubble there. And we're going to make 2 ears about 1 inch long each. So make 2 1-inch bubbles. We're going to twist those together. Now we're going to make about a 3.5-inch bubble for our neck. 2.5-inch bubble for a front leg. A matching bubble for the other front leg. Twist those together. About a 2.5-inch body. Now I'm going to make a little small 1/2-inch bubble. Make that into an ear twist. And now I'm going to take that ear twist and split it into 2. Like that. Twist that around. And then I'll run this around through there to ensure that it stays. Now we're going to make 2 more back legs, same size as our front legs. Bring it back up and twist that around those double ear twists a time or 2. And I'll twist that as well, just make sure it's secured. And then we'll cut this excess off. And I'll twist that around once or twice. And tuck up in those legs out of the way. Now we're going to take our 160, take your nozzle in, twist it in around the ears to secure it, and we're going to make a string of pearls, little tiny bubbles, about 1/2 inch or so, and you're going to make a series of those, and make sure you always twist in the same direction and several times, 3 or 4 times each bubble, or they will come undone. And we'll just continue with our string of pearls. Usually 4, occasionally 5 will be enough depending on the length of your neck and the size of your bubbles. So you get down to these front legs, twist that in around the front legs. Now we're going to come back up the other side of the neck and repeat the same process, making sure that you hang onto those as you go. Same number as you had on the other side. Had 5, so I want to do 5 over here. Twist that in around the ears and the head a time or 2, secure them. Now we want to take the excess, cut it off, but make sure you keep some, because this will be our tail. Let's tie that off. We'll come back to that momentarily. Now lift the excess from your head and wrap it around 3 or 4 times, and I'll tuck it up inside the ears to get it out of the way. Now we'll take our tail, and I'll make about a 5 to 6 inch bubble for the tail. Twist that together, and I'll run the tail around a time or 2. The excess we'll cut off. Twist the end of it around once or twice to secure it. Position our tail coming out the back. Shape it however you like. And we have our cute little two balloon horse.